Hello guys. Oh, sorry. Hello beauties. It's your muse and my stylist, Roots and Legs. Hello beauties, welcome again to my channel. And like I said in my previous video, I want to reduce manipulation of my hair as much as I can, and so I got me this beautiful lady here today, and I'll be using her hair for the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get to it. So this is what I am doing here at the moment. I simply, more like a triangle at the middle. I want to put some spice with 2 cornrows here. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. So we are back. This is what I did here. Let me bend my head a little. So I have a cornrow here and another one here. So I'm going to put gel all over this part and hold the whole hair in a ponytail. So I'll be doing this using this Eco Styler and this for the base and this as a topping. I will slightly spread the hair here with some water. So by default you should just tie this down probably overnight or for some hours, but for the benefit of this video I'll just tie it just briefly. I'm going to use this to tie down our hair. It's a silk scarf. For our lives to be ordered. Okay, we are back. Let's see. Okay. Let us see. For the daytime, moon and stars for the night. It can be drier than this if left overnight or for some couple of hours, but we just want to end this video now and now. First one with this kinky extension that has a feel of a 4C hair.
Aha! To the right, to the left, there is a praise on the inside. I just wanna holla it out. His mercies has brought me thus far. I will praise you, my God, praise the
To secure it more, I'm going to take a little bit of it here and just wrap it around the base. The very last tip, I'm going to secure with a bobby pin. Yeah, that's it. And then I'll fluff it here and there, pin down where necessary. Then pin it down with some more bobby pins, just for extra security. So it depends on you. You can leave it this big if you are you want it big, and you can as well trim the tips. I'm just going to trim it a little. I'll fluff it to get the fullness I want.
To count the blessings of the Lord. They are numerous, uncountable.
And then the style 2, I'll be using this, our Afro Crotchet Extension.
Aha! To the right, to the left, there's a praise on the inside.
I'm going to take a little piece of hair here. I'll take a little from here as well. The leave-in conditioner.
Amen. I will praise you, my God. Praise ye the Lord. Amen.
You can do this before attaching to your hair. But because it's on the hair now, I'm holding the base. I'll do same for this other end.
Of your goodness, my God, of your kindness to me, I will give you my praise. When I think of your goodness, my God, of your kindness to me, I will give you my praise. What have I done to deserve this great love, my Redeemer? You're always there for me, I will give you my praise. What have I done to deserve this great love, my Redeemer? You're always there for me, I will give you my praise. I will praise you, my God, praise the Lord. Amen. I will praise you, my God, praise the Lord. Amen. One, two, three, four. I can seem to count the blessings of the Lord. They are numerous.